What's something people don't know about Genghis Khan? He used birds to conquer a city. Genghis Khan, the legendary Mongol leader, was known for his cunning tactics. When he set his sights on Samarkand, he had a brilliant plan. He demanded 10,000 birds from the city's defenders. Sounds strange, right? Here's the twist. His soldiers tied small flaming rags to the birds' legs. The birds flew back to their nests in the city, setting everything on fire. Chaos ensued and Samarkand fell without a major fight. Genghis Khan's ingenuity shows us that sometimes the smallest details can lead to the biggest victories. So, next time you see a bird, remember, it might just hold the key to conquering a city.